Good evening. I, Khushbu Nathalia, Assistant Professor Law.
And I, Ananya Kumar, Assistant Professor, School of Law.
Welcome you all in the 4th National Law Festival of CPJ College, Law Fiesta 2019. And we have just concluded with the final round of the National Moot Court competition. And we have with us the guests for the same, the judges for the same, who has selected the runner and the winner team here. Yes, sir, how was your experience?
This was an excellent experience, and we have found that both the teams in the final were with a great preparation, and they have delivered very good stuff. Was that, and they were of high class students, and they will be a very good lawyer and judges in future.
I am very happy from their preparations, presentations, and their judgments, which was cited by them, and argument, body style, presentation. I am very happy.
Right. So how difficult was it to actually judge these students?
It was very difficult because both the team was of almost equal footing, and their arguments and their initiations and their knowledge of law and their presentation was of almost same caliber. We both gave different marks to them. And finally, it was found that they both were at equal footing. Then we decided, because we have to, extra time was given, and then we were able to do the justice.
I congratulate both the teams because both the teams are equal and intelligent, and the preparation of both the team are equal. And judgment which were cited by them are equal. But the question is, this is our duty, being a judge, to decide the one team as a winner and other team as a runner-up. So we congratulate the teams as well as you also.
Thank you, sir. Sir, also I would like to know that these students will be the advocates in the coming future. What message and what qualities you think that they should have, and what message you want to give to them?
Yes. The quality and message is, this law profession is unique in nature, and sky is the limit in this profession. Three things I want to tell to the budding lawyers and students of law especially, that they should have a patience, they should be very regular in courts, and they should prepare this profession like any other profession. And if they will stay over there for 3-4 years, then no service of this country can match them.
Punctuality, sincerity, regularity and honesty are essential part of the advocate. Secondly, not only after prepare the file, you would be a good lawyer. You are also having some extraordinary knowledge for the appearance in the court, because sometimes the court puts the questions outside of your subject. On that time, this is your duty to immediately try to convince the court. And I feel that such type of the students in future, if they will do hard work, so one day they will be a good lawyer.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure having you here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sir, please.